Alright, on this video, I did another impulse buy. I'm out at the property, so I'll show you what I got and we'll see if we can get this thing to run and drive it back to the farm.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Pop it, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Here we are, a 1974 Nissan Caball. This is what I bought. Hey, this is going to be the 7A shop truck. What a little weapon. So, yeah, let's have a look. She's only tiny. Hey, look at her. All in one piece, still got the key. Got a Holden 186 in it. Beautiful. We should be able to get this bad girl to fire up. No brakes, that's fine. And we'll try and drive it back to the farm. What do you reckon, Curtis?
I think we might die.
We're going to die.
Sacrifices are going to be made.
Tank's empty, that's a good sign.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, let's see if we can get some work done. We'll see if we can get this thing to fire off. Alright, so we've put the battery on and we've got a light here, which is a bonus. So we'll give it a crank and see what happens. Ooh. Curtis,
Yeah.
pass us a sauce bottle, mate. We'll see if this will bark off. Let's get that down in there. Hold it. Just watch your face. Alright, nothing yet. We'll keep working on it. Alright, so we just checked this for spark. We've got spark. We'll give it a kick, see if we can get this thing to go. I might swap positions with you.
Yep.
Alright. Alright, you crank it. Just don't give it throttle. Oh. Give it a little bit. Hold it flat. Yeah. Getting there. It runs. It runs. That's a bonus. So we've gotten it that far. And we've only been here, what, 5 minutes?
Something like that.
I reckon, yeah, I think it's just some shit burning off the manifold there.
I like that.
Yeah. Alright. Let's we might put that new fuel pump on and then we'll see if we can we'll put some fuel in the tank, see if we can get it idle. What do you reckon?
I think that's the best bet, man.
Alright, let's do it.
Diagnostics for the win.
Yeah, but it runs. Cool.
It's loud though.
Isn't it? Yeah, but we got the seat up too.
I don't
So
care. That's going to sound loud whether the
it
seat's
is.
down or not.
Alright. Well, it runs. Sick.
Deafening cabin.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's do this then.
Mate.
Haha, we've literally got it idling. Where's that screwdriver? That screwdriver will pry it off. Yeah, that'll do. Curtis is just filling it with some water. Oh, you.
That'll work.
Get it from the lip on the outside underneath.
Cut it?
Yeah. We're just going to put some water in it while it's idling now. But the fuel pump's working and everything. We did a light test, that works. All the headlights work. Check this out. This is sick. Seriously, I bought this truck and I can't wait to put this thing back on the road. It is so cool. Obviously, I'm going to have to make an exhaust for it now, since it's just straight off the header basically, but that's all right. I can do that. This is great. This is a great little truck. The lady was saying as long as I show it some love, she'll do me a good price, and she did. And I'm a man of my word, so I'll make sure I look after this truck, and we'll give it the TLC it deserves. So let's just check the charge on this and see what we're getting. All right, so she's charging at 12.9. Well, it's jumping around. It's not happy, but it'll get us home. It'll do what it's got to do. So yeah, all we got to do now is see if it'll drive. Yeah.
Mate, you're going to get behind the wheel and we'll see who slides first.
Alright, let's get this thing, see if it'll move. Alright, so we're on the side of the road. We had to go get the trailer. As you can see, that front tyre's flat now. Doesn't spin. We dragged it, ruined it, fucked it basically. That's the driveway we picked it up from there. So we made it from there to here. And now we're going to go tow it. So it's raining. There's sections of muddy road that we got to get through, so it's going to be a slow old trip. The girls are hiding in the bushes over there. Curtis is weeing. And yeah, so we've probably, what's a 20-minute trip is now going to be 40 minutes. But yeah, we should be able to get it back. Someone's going to have to hold steering wheel.
Because the top is like flip this way. If I loosen it that way, we can pull it off. Oh, we're so close to getting it up. Mom, stop.
Gotta ring the boys.
Like
all the boys join me. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll do the thermostat and everything, so, yeah. That is literally the very first drive though. I even said on the video that like, I've got to get you boys in that, and then yeah. Runs. Hey? The shoes were locked on. Yeah, the shoes were locked on, so. Yeah. But yeah, I ended up undoing the bearings and everything like that, and I ended up whacking one of the ratchets stuff that came free. I broke one of the keepers, but yeah. Well, the good thing is, Gary, I can have a look at it. Alright, so there you go. We got it running and driving and everything like that. So, I mean, it's not too bad a nick, all things considered, you know. Last time it was registered was 1986, says it on the sticker. But it needs a tyre here, needs new tyres front and that. I mean, that one's not too bad, but yeah, we'll see what happens. I'd rather put 2 new ones on it. But all in all, it's not too bad. I mean, look, you know, it's all here. Like even the dash thing's down there. But, I mean, the lights work. They work. Look at those bad boys. Hey? They don't work. And they don't work. And they don't work. And nothing in the rear works. But you know what else does work? Is the interior light. Check out this bad boy. You got to be quite specific with it. Go slow. There you go, look. Oh, no. Tell me we just blew it. Well, we just blew the globe. Alright, so that doesn't work. But, yeah. I mean, bit of TLC. Should be right. And she flies straight up, too. Look at that. Mint. So, yeah, I'm going to change the timbers in the tray and the headboard. I'm going to put some Merbau in there. And then I got some lights for the back. I've ordered them. Some fancy LED ones and that. And yeah, the way you see it though is probably how it's going to remain. I'm going to clear coat it. I'm going to get some stickers for the door, some 7A ones. Get them some old school pinstriping ones maybe, or something. Some hot rodding ones. But yeah, that's the old caball for now. So, in all honesty, I love this thing. I think it's great. It's going to make a great little shop truck. Drive it around, everything like that. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that's going to do this episode. That's my random purchase. Spontaneous. We were joking about it at work. Paul wanted a work truck and everything like that. So, I told him to buy it and he never did. And I procrastinated on it for 2-3 weeks. I wasn't going to buy it. But, I don't know, it's been playing on my mind. I really wanted this truck. I thought it was great. It looks great. It's different. It's rustic and everything like that. I thought it'd make a good shop truck. It's a 2-tonner, so you can drive it on a car license and everything like that. And, yeah, so I'm going to get this bad boy on the road and daily drive it. And, yeah, it'll be fun. So, and it's dual tyre rear end, so even when I hook the trailer up to it, you won't even notice it. Yeah, it's going to be slow and steady with a Holden 179 in it, but that's okay. I've still got Glenn's 202 turbo in the shed too, so I can always put that in it. But anyways, let me know what you think. Thanks for making it this far. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It helps me out a lot, especially the views. I'm trying to get the watch hours up at the moment, so yeah, the more of you that watch it all the way through, I greatly appreciate it. Even if you put us on as background noise, I still appreciate it. So yeah, anyways, that'll do this one. I'll try and get the clutch and that going next time. We'll see if we can get through the gears and see what happens. So like I always say, guys, I'll see you in the next episode.